What's up guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to set alerts on TradingView. So you might be wondering, how do you exactly set alerts here on TradingView? Well, setting up alerts in TradingView is pretty easy. So first things first, you want to open up TradingView here and just basically log in into your account. Now from here, you want to go and just access any of your watch lists here. So my example, let's go open up Apple here. And from here, let's go and expand the chart. Let's go and click on the expand option here. And you should be able to see the chart. Now, what we need to do is you want to go ahead and click on the filter icon that you see here next to the pencil icon that has drawing on it. So let's go ahead and click on it. And from here, you should see the alerts option. So go ahead and click on it. Now, from here, what we need to do is we just need to click on the plus button that you see at the bottom right. So alerts that has a plus button on it. And from here, you now have the option to choose or create your alert. So first, the symbol here will be automatically chosen since, again, we've already chosen our asset here. And you want to go ahead and choose the conditions. So you could choose from price here, as you can see, and how it's going to, what type of alert. So if it's crossing, it's either up or down, or you could just choose crossing up, crossing down, greater than, less than, and whatever rate here. Now, you could also set the value for it, and if you want to trigger this every time or only once, so depending on what you need. Now, you could also choose an expiration date for it, just in case if you want to only be alerted on a specific day here. And also, you could go and add the message for it and also alert name, so you could add a custom name for it. But once you add all the details, just click on create at the bottom right here to create your alert. And that's about it. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.